How to change my eyes only password without losing everything. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your My Eyes Only password without losing all of your photos or videos in there, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Snapchat app. Perfectly, now when you're on your Snapchat app, then you need to click on your memories, and then we need to basically click where it says My Eyes Only. Perfect. As you can see in here, you need to enter your password, but you don't enter your password in here if you want to change it. You click where it says options, and that is basically in the bottom right corner. If you can see that, it says options, so click there. Perfectly. In here, we need to click where it says change passcode. And as you can see, you need to enter your current passcode, which I'm going to do right now. And now you can create your new password, as you can see. So that is exactly how to do so, basically. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.